Hello everybody, this is Tamer from ElliottWaveForex.com with a new weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. After making a very slight new high, the market spent this last week moving downward, and just before it touched the previous low, it started moving again toward the upside. This all fits nicely within our primary count from last week, but this decline seems a little too strong to be the fourth wave of the ending diagonal I originally assumed was unfolding. A better fitting count is that a running or barrier triangle is unfolding in the fourth wave position of one larger degree. On the other hand, this larger degree fourth wave may very easily turn out to be a more complex correction, possibly a triple combination or some variation of a flat. There's really no point in trying to cover every possible variation of the correction, so this week I'm focusing on the one most likely count, but I'll keep the invalidation point at a more lenient position to allow for the other possibilities. Unfortunately, I can't present solid targets for the upside until the triangle is complete, but at least we know that once the triangle is complete, price will invariably exceed its highest point. So let's begin as usual from the weekly chart, where the big picture sees the euro is moving towards the upside in maroon wave B, which is forming an expanded flat labeled black waves A, B and C. Black wave C is clearly forming an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, where blue wave 3 is also forming another very strong impulse labeled pink waves 1 through 5. Now zooming into the daily chart, it's clear that pink wave 3 formed an extension, and a very strong one at that, labeled green waves 1 through 5, and now pink wave 4 seems most fittingly to be forming a running or a barrier triangle, labeled green waves A, B, C, D, and finally E. It looks like green waves A, B, and C are complete, and wave D may be complete here at this high, or it may move a little higher, to be finally followed by another small decline in green wave E to complete pink wave 4. After that, this count expects the euro to move toward the upside in pink wave 5 to complete blue wave 3. Now at 1.2092, pink wave 5 would reach the previous high of green wave B. Then at 1.2150, it would reach the approximate length of this green wave B, which was the largest segment of this entire triangle. Please note that these are not exact target at this point, but I'll update them once pink wave 4 is confirmed to be complete. Now this triangle count is invalidated by movement below 1.1837, as green wave E may not move beyond the start of green wave D. However, pink wave 4 itself will only be invalidated by movement below 1.0906, as it may not enter the price territory of pink wave 1. So that's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.